Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on a ride, and damn, we're going now. How's everybody doing today on this Monday afternoon as we're continuing to proceed to get what we need? A lot of people said 9 cents. 9 cents was going to be difficult for us to achieve on the Jasmy token. Well, who got the last laugh now? It's profit times. It's profit time. 10 cents is coming. A lot of people did not believe 10 cents is coming. It's coming, whether you like it or not. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. So hit that like, hit that subscribe. You already know we're going on a ride. And like I said, it's really starting to feel like we're going now. I'm happy that we did not get this retracement yet, although there's one coming, so please don't get too cocky. As sick dough in crypto, we remind you every day, so please hit the like button and subscribe. That this is high volatility waves. This stuff is no joke. Excuse me. But this is the channel where you hit the like button, you hit the subscribe button, you get crypto news, you feel like the GOAT. You know, NBA Finals, baby. We're in the finals right now. Let me get that better. The NBA Finals. Yes, we are, right? We need the GOAT. And if you pay attention, we're legit. It's official. So we're rocking the GOAT today. And why not? You know what I mean? Why not feel good? Have a good day. I was supposed to go to New York City today. I was supposed to go see TKO Fitness. Shout out to Hassan, TKO Fitness. We decided that Wednesday would be a great plan. So if you want to see what's going on, we're going to go visit New York on Wednesday. And we're actually going to be doing a little bit of, I might not be because my ankle's broken, but if I could throw some punches, yeah, let's do it. But my ankle's still shot. I might have to get surgery. So we'll talk more about that another time. But we are going to New York City, and we're going to go visit Hassan. I think it's awesome. And it seems like the notification is not currently working, so it's okay. We will do TA anyway. 10 cents is on its way, and I did say I expected 9 cents to be really hardcore TA. We're about there about right now. Will there be some FOMO coming in on Jasmy, as this is the first one we're doing? We'll talk about Solana next. And then we will go in probably to Shiba Inu. That's something we got to talk about as well. What do we got here? Relative strength index. Let's pull it up and see where. Okay, so we're going pretty high, and it is telling me to take profits. So that's not a surprise, right? We talk about this often. This is not financial advice. This just is my strategy. And on my strategy right now, it's telling me I'm hitting my resistance line that I usually would make for resistance. And I'll go orange, and there it is. And now, there it is right there. Long story short, that is definitely some resistance coming. I do expect so. Made me FOMO in a little bit more. As you see, it's already happened on the top wicks. Yes, so it's up. If we break right through, then there is something happening, right? So we can go into, check all this out. What are we doing? 2.62 crypto market cap. That's nice. So let's get back to the 2.65. We'll be back to a very, very bullish formation. So let's see. This is going to be a recorded video for a lot of people. We're not really going to be doing live for them today. So this is going to be strictly the 3 tokens. If you want to watch the 3 tokens and you want to learn a little bit about them today, we're going to talk about them. So Solana in the 6th spot, continuing to make new highs. And we were just talking about Jasmy. So I'm going to see if we can get Jasmy. Does Jasmy ever make it anywhere? I was wondering if we could look at it through there, but you know we're not going to be able to. There it is. So Jasmy, currently volume, looking very, very strong, right? 1,000. So we're going to there, and it's at almost 60 million. Excuse my French. And wow, the market cap. Market cap is finally coming out, showing some BS here. Did anyone see this, or am I the only person who's seen the market cap on this? Wait a minute. Time's out. Ho! We're going up to the next episode. Hold up. Wow. Is that millions into billions? Is that real? Are we looking at the real? Here we go. Let's see what this says. The CMC team has not verified the project's market cap. However, according to the project itself, reported CS is yeah, okay. Okay. So with a self-reported market cap of 43 million, I could take that. They're half a trillion. million? Like, what are we trying to do here? That number up there, I'm not even reading it out. I'm not even saying it. We're just talking about 43 million. So 43 million market cap seems to be on here. And I don't need to tell you all, hit the like and subscribe. 43 million. No way. I'll be so happy with that my head will bounce off the top of this desk. Yeah, exactly, Hugo. Exactly. And I did know it on Solana, but I'm looking at the Jasmy, and that just got my head spinning. Those numbers got to be inflated. There's something got to be wrong there, because if Jasmy is going to continue to do that, then we're going to see 10 cents pretty soon. Oh, never mind. Never mind. We are. Jeez Louise. So a lot of people didn't believe. Did I call this too, Hugh? I don't understand. Am I on fire? Are we literally on fire? Sick dough in crypto? I hope you're making sick dough in crypto. And if you didn't dollar cost average out at the 9 cents, well, you kind of fucked up, because that's what I've been telling people to do. Dollar cost average. Do not sell all your money, because what you're going to do is you're going to see this go up and you're going to go, why didn't I stay in? And it's going to be horrible. So I'm trying to explain to you that this was real. Nobody believed me. I said 10 cents is coming. Well, maybe now you start to believe. So Wall Street, Pete, sick dough, and crypto. We really are trying to keep this to a 15-minute video. I do strongly believe, as I look at my indicators and everything else that's going on, it will take me to the 10 cents, okay? And if it doesn't, then this is done here. And then this will come down. And then what are we on the hourly? Well, the hourly shows me that resistance was the last time we were here. So it's really all started to funnel in exactly as predicted. Yes, thank you so much. Please share this with a friend. Please let everyone know there's high volatile waves. You could lose your shirt, but as long as you know where to get out and make money. A lot of people just hold the stuff and they're like, I'm so sick and tired. So what's going to happen is the new people who follow me, you're going to get sick and tired of the sideways action. Seriously. You're going to get tired of your money going up, down, up, down. You're like, I just want it to go up. Yeah, no shit. We all do. So what you got to do is just follow some of the strategies. These are mine. I'm excited right now. This is a special moment. I've been waiting for this moment. And I told you 10 cents was on its way. You didn't believe me, and you still probably don't. But it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. We'll continue to go on something else. When we do get there, if you do get a FOMO above the 10 cents and do collide down, you will understand that there's a Fibonacci sequence level. We broke through the EMA ribbon. It's going to explode. There's something here that there's nothing I can do. The Indigo Kids, 7 cents by Thanksgiving. Bro, if that happens, I will be going bananas. Because I'll tell you right now, I'm going to have a wonderful Thanksgiving by then. And you know what? I hate to say it, Jay Creek, but I don't pull it out of the freaking chance. I would never tell you that that's not a chance. So what's going to happen is the FOMO is real. So I expect the sleeve down, coming down, and where are we at right now? We were hitting this break. We'll be back at 9 cents. So we're going to be back at 9 cents. We're going to be fumbling down, and I'm telling you what's happening before we get there. I know it sounds crazy. Who the hell am I? I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. So please hit the like and subscribe. So what's happening is we're going to get this consolidation after the 10 cents, and then I do see that kind of a thing, which is a falling wedge. It's a very bullish flag. We talked about that many times on my channel, and you'll get something similar to that. Price target for Jasmy. Well, let me ask you this, Dustin. When are we talking? Are we talking tomorrow? Are we talking tonight? Are we talking when I get off? Are we talking next year? Are we talking the end of the year? Are we talking 2022? I'm a crazy bastard, but yes, I'm good at what I do. I need the specifics. I don't want you telling me, oh, he said we're going to $1. Yeah, well, I'm talking about by the end of this year. By Thanksgiving, you want to hear my prediction? I actually have a video of Jasmy not explaining, but telling you that, shit, I expect that. I know, I sound crazy, and call me crazy. It's fine. This is the Wall Street Pete, sick dough crypto. This is not financial advice. We do this for entertainment. We listen to music. We have a good time. What would happen to my money if we got something similar to that move? Well, I'd hate to tell you, if $1.88 came, I would be getting 85% on my money. That does not sound right. There seems like there's a much bigger move than that coming, but that would be all the way from where we entered, so that's why it's not correct. If I did linger it down and I said, hey, let's get it to where we entered, which we know we now entered there, and I went to 188, I'm sure our money is ridiculous, and there it is. So that would be the real. So if you got in with me at the 6.8, 150, 160% on your money could be coming, and that's a big percentage up. Not a lot of people see that in the market, but Jasmy, my price target was $1.88, and that's talking to the end of the year. So that's not November, unfortunately, it's December. So the end of the year, I'm expecting something like that. The next buy-in, I don't know. If you're talking about Jasmy, the next buy-in for Jasmy, as I'm watching Solana, because I'm waiting for it to break through the new high again, which is 218. Jasmy right now, and I told you the TA, it's probably coming down. Excuse my French, I was hiccuping. It's probably coming down a little. People are taking profits. People are scared. Some people are probably watching this show. I'm not kidding. And I'm not a coin pumper, but some people do pay attention. And I'll tell you right now, the 10 cents is feasible. It's a possibility. It's not guaranteed. It's been a long time since we got through 9.9. I'm not even trying to get to the 10. I'm trying to talk about the 9.9. This could be done at 9.5. So where'd we hit? Right about 9.5, 9.4. There's one last pump. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you don't start getting out dollar cost averaging out, you're going to be miserable. So that's Jasmy. When's a good time to buy back in? Well, a really good time to buy back in, I hate to say, is the 7.8 now. So we've now moved from the 6.8 to about the 7.8. And then if you see the 8 cents itself, these are kind of the levels you're going to see come back. And it's the Fibonacci sequence level. I do expect it. So we're done with Jasmy, but that's something I'm expecting. We will continue to pump up. So excuse me if as we get it, don't explain like that's coming right now. But hold your horses. There will be some type of retracement. This just started, so it doesn't mean we're over either. Like I said, the peak here is pretty good. Doesn't mean we're going? No. Can we get there? Yes. Right now we're moving so well, so quickly on the Jasmy token that they're actually coming out with a market cap. Get out of town. So here we are now. Let's see. We talked about Shiba Inu. We said we would do that real quick. If anybody's interested in the Shiba Inu token, right now it's currently working with the market perfect. It's hitting the edge right now, the top of the ribbon. So the top of the ribbon of my EMAX potential on the hourly is bringing me down. I have volume on the bottom. It's getting really soft on the volume. Relative strength index chart. The trend is my friend on the hourly, which is continuing to go down, but now we're creating a new trend here. The new trend here is starting to show me that there's an upward momentum. So if I do believe that upward momentum still goes and we do strike back to, looks like a man in a go-kart with a freaking long pointy hat on, right? Like a wizard sitting in his go-kart with the 2 wheels. I have some imagination, don't I? So we're going up here on this, and as I see that that's happened before, and the last time we hit here, we peaked hard. So this is Shiba Inu. If we have the right volume coming in, and I'm going to check right now, ladies and gentlemen, going to check. It's another indicator as far as I'm concerned. Not Jasmy, but, oh, well, we did get Jasmy as it's going. 88 9 cents there. It's saying, let's see, Shiba Inu 13. All right, so we're back. So we're down 11.5 billion in volume to 15 billion market cap. We're starting to settle down, and I do expect some people to actually start taking some profits on Shiba Inu. I don't expect that Shiba Inu to really kick ass as much as you think, because what's going to happen here is the last time we came down, we have a little bit more of a fall. So what may happen, and this is a big possibility, we're on a downward trend, but I just showed you the new one coming up, 3,800. And what are we trading right now? 39. So we could get to the 3,800 on Shiba Inu and then have a nice typical bounce. Because what am I showing you here? Well, a lot of people don't understand. When I start Shiba Inu, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Does any... Wow, hold on one second. Hold on one second, ladies and gentlemen. I have a big problem here. We have a double bottom M coming. And if we don't sell Shiba Inu right now, we're going to get our asses handed to us maybe. So this is what happens. I got 3 minutes to find out. Wow, this is kind of a special announcement. This is a special video, not even I knew about it. Why should I convert my Solana profits into, you don't mind me asking? What should I? I'm sorry, I read that wrong. I would ride it out because this is the beginning. Thank you, Dustin. As I said it, me and Dustin said at the same time, if anybody's wondering. I would ride Solana out. I would not sell out until you get Solana to about 250. When Solana gets to 250, there's a chance it's going to go to 600 to 500 in 30 days. So if you want to enjoy that moment, I'll show you on the next TA here. But let me see where we're at because I'm kind of getting concerned. What did I see here? Oh my gosh, I don't like this. I don't like this, ladies and gentlemen. And every time I don't like something, it's usually a reason to not like it. There's another double bottom M coming that's going to take me to the 36. And I don't want to be here for the 36 when it falls because I'm not in the mood. Oh, Lord. I shouldn't have said that either. But this is real. The trend is your friend, and it's not over until it's the end. And I do see the double bottom M pattern coming, taking. This sucks. It's unfortunate. And the volume's showing me that that's happening. So what I'll do is I'll calmly go to my phone, and I'll dollar cost average a couple bucks out because what I'm going to do is I'm going to either put it into Solana as it's going to pump? It's already pumped too much. I'll put it into a stable coin. Put it into a USD coin. Don't ride the Jasmy token right now, as we're getting boring right now. You know what? Maybe you want to see my face and see what I'm doing. I'm looking down on my phone like a bastard. I shouldn't be doing that, right? How fucking... Excuse my French. What a host I am. What I'm trying to do is grab my assets right now, as I have some good assets here. And I'm thinking about getting rid of some. I just get nervous because every time I sell this shit, yeah, I'm just going to hold it. It's Shiba Inu, ladies and gentlemen. Every time I mess with it on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro or any of that, it seems to get very late and it makes you pay extra fees. And I don't really want to mess around with Shiba Inu right now. I'd rather just hodl it because right now is what I see as an ascending channel, and that's what I wanted to talk about right now. I was going to dollar cost average and be a bastard and go get it for 200 ticks lower. Why get it 200 ticks lower when you could just hodl it and enjoy the gains right now, right? This is one of the tokens I will never say that about, but this is one of them I will talk about. Usually I will never say that, excuse me. This is one of the times I'm saying there's an ascending triangle pattern coming, but you got to pay attention to the downward momentum. So I don't want to scare anybody, be like, oh no, we got to run, we got to pay. There's a very short momentum down, and that's it. And what is that? Because that's really not far. We said 36. It may not even go that far. It's Shiba. So, okay, what do you think the stretch of time to 250 range will be? Okay, so this is what we're doing. Time's out. Shiba Inu token right now. We're going to go back and forth to Jasmy token to Solana. They're the three tokens. As Bitcoin is doing its thing and Ethereum is doing its thing, we're going to talk about these things. Now, this is not a bad thing if this happens. This is just a possibility. What do I see that I need to turn in the next 3 minutes, which just happened? It's the 12 o'clock candle. So I need to see the forwardly. Now, what are we doing? I'm getting a bullish flag. That's no longer on the hourly scaring me because what's happening is the longer term effect is becoming bullish. So what am I getting? I'm getting an upward W, actually. So this is why the TA is very important. Pay attention. There's actually something going where we consolidated there in that time, and now we're going to look to tap and hit the 44, which may take us to the 5,000 that we've all been waiting for. I do have TA, and it was last night. So if you want to watch the video, it's a big deal, but it was our road to 5,000. If you want to see, pay attention because I do have this timestamp. A lot of people are lazy, and you know what? I understand. I get lazy too sometimes, but if you did not watch this video yet, you need to watch this video. Goodbye. Goodbye to that commercial. All right. I want you to see this real quick because this is a big deal. Yeah, it's going to go to 5,000. I'm trying to tell y'all. You'll see. It's going to go to the 5,000 mark today. Why are we doing a million commercials right now? Can we please stop with the commercials? This doesn't always work. This is yesterday's video. Good morning to you, Michael Brown. Solana. Out of town. You're not going to yell at me. Real quick. This is my show, Michael. Michael. So either hit the like and subscribe, Mr. Michael. Or tell everybody how much percent you're up since you've been following Wall Street, Pete, because we would appreciate that. If you have some significant gains from some of my moves, and please, I want to hear about it. What's happening here is we're consolidated, but I wanted to talk about the move we did. First date. When I told you we were coming down, how interesting. What's the coincidental piece of this, the 21st. So this is a video yesterday. I wanted to show you the chart. We talked about coming down the 190 we bought. We talked about the 187 we bought. We dollar cost averaged into the market, which was Solana. We dollar cost, I believe that's going to happen. Let me see. Let me just double check. That's what I'm going to give you a confirmation on. So 187, 183. We came down pretty low. This was the October 24th. So I want everyone to see that video. You could have watched it. It didn't get much love, but it's okay. We're talking about Solana. And I want to get to it immediately, really quick, because that video was huge. We're going to come down and break this as support now. That's a very bullish thing. I'm telling you right now. And if it doesn't build the support, it's going to come back up. Solana, we're going to go back to Shiba and Jasmy, as a lot of people are very, very impatient to hear more. This is an upward W that I was expecting. And it was either one of these with a retracement, or it was already shown here, and there it is. And I'm excited because that's how they work. We'll get rid of the garbage. There's a lot of garbage here. We're going to get some indicators out, and I want to explain some things to you how this may pan out. This is Solana. It's very important because we got a new high. And I don't know if you understand, show me a new high, I'll show you a new buy. Usually I'm very big on that. But there is a point in time where everything in the indicators and even the EMA will tell you it's time to hold up. Hey, and right now it's not time. Right now, it's not time. Right now, it's not time. Unless we're forming a huge RSIM on here, which there's a chance. There's always a chance. That's why we do TA. And sometimes we feel like the weatherman. I know. I get it. Please hit the like and subscribe so we get this algorithm going through because it's real TA. Now, I see this jump. And when I see this jump and I see this pull up on the 4 hourly on TradingView and it's Solana because I want to finish it. And we got the EMA exponential moving average. Now, it's saying that we're having a little bit of a pullback. So if we were having a real pullback right now, and we were doing that, I would say that the ribbon would be a problem. Well, that's 50% right here. So the number is 202. So how worried would you be if Solana came down, retraced to 211, which is the first scenario, 206, which is the second, 38.2% pullback, or the 50% pullback, which is the most likely 50% retracement on a nice pull-up like this for it to happen. Now, what I'm going to tell you is I'm not ready for that to happen yet. We're too soon in this leg up. There's going to be some FOMO actions. We have a lot of money coming in on this new high buy here. This is going to be a little shakeout coming. It's going to be fake. I do believe we're going to explode a little bit. Solana is on its way to 500. I'm telling you right now. What I expect is the 206, maybe worst case scenario at our current time frame. So the 206 may take me here, and what I'm saying is the 206 is my most likely scenario. If it doesn't happen and it just goes to the, what was the price? I can't see it, 211. Even my shit's in the way. 211, so I'm adjusting. So there you go. 211 and 206 are two big normal retracements here, pullbacks on a Fibonacci sequence to go back through. So now, I said 10 cents, so the fact that Jasmy is at 9.7 does not surprise me. It may surprise you. That's understandable. I get it. I've been telling you it's coming. I've been telling you it's coming, and no one believed me, I guess. I guess nobody believed me. But let me promise you, if you don't take profits at this price coming up, you're going to be disappointed. Jasmy is breaking through this ascending triangle. Okay, there's not ascending triangle, ascending channel. We have an ascending channel which is forming a humongous W. So now, if you are lucky enough, and I'm going to have to pause this and probably take profits off my phone, which I hate doing. I do hate doing that because it stops a lot of things of what I'm doing, but right now this is really important. We're doing a live video for you, and Jasmy is kicking everybody's ass. So I'm going to put the order in real quick. What it is the ones I deal with don't have orders. They make you do it on demand, and it sucks. And some people can't even get into their portfolio. They can't even get into their app, which blows my mind because Robinhood was the king of that. I'm excited. So everyone who took this trade, I mean, really, let's get excited now. It's time. Sicto and crypto. This was a moment that we've been waiting for. This is a moment that we talked about just yesterday. If you watch my videos, if you hit the like, if you hit the subscribe, you know why we're here. Here are the wheels we're building up to get this ascending triangle. This is the leg up. This is where we go. This is some resistance now. So if we don't hit exactly 10 cents, you have to beat the whales. Well, where do I beat the whales, Wall Street? Well, if I'm going to beat the whales, you better know that line may have already came too close. 9.7, beat them. You better beat them now. So let's get big about that. Let's talk about it. Will there be a pullback? Yes. Inverted head and shoulders pattern will start to form somewhere in here. A lot of people will be disappointed. There will be a FOMO back up. It will break through most likely. The money kicks in. We'll probably go higher. But I don't think we're going to go that much higher. If we do, we're going to be talking about it. So we're going to be waiting for a pullback. We're going to wait for the hourly, the 4-hourly, whatever one gives us a pullback. Because right now we're currently going above and beyond where not where I said here. And we're getting significant resistance in the hourly candles. So if you're paying attention to this right now, you might want to think, are we going to come test the EMA ribbon? And is the Bollinger Band going to set us back lower? I got to check it. We're expanding. We're getting bigger. This may be the beginning, but at the same time, Jasmy's been doing some things going through. So do remember the percentages are precisely the same here from this move to here. So as I'm looking at the measurement tools here on TA, we're going to probably get a little FOMO more, and then we're going to go through. When should I buy Jasmy again? I just pretty much broke it down to what we need to do. We're getting a new candle, so it'll probably turn green go up and then go red, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna mess with your emotions. The people are gonna start taking profits. People are just waking up. People are bums. People are getting off at their break, working that aren't bums and taking profits on Jasmy. And I don't blame them. I'd be taking profits, which I just did. Took a little bit of profits. I'm going to take more. As you see, this may turn red. It may. I was gonna say it may pump harder, and I'm hoping it does because I do need to get my confirmation 10. Once I get the confirmation 10 cents, as I said, 10 cents is coming, and you watch the video, give it some love. Please, now's the time to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification. As on this hourly, I'm thinking we're going to get one last pump, hit the resistance, and out of here. And a lot of people are going to get pissed off because some of these pumps don't last long. They're 2-pump jumps. So Wall Street, Pete Sicto, and crypto, here's my scenario. I'll lay it to you right now. A lot of people want to know, where do we go? It's the most favorite question, and I know you asked it, so I'm going to answer it. Here we go. Without further ado. So, if that is the top, if that's about to the 10-cent level, that's about where we're going, that's about as close as I seem to be always close and just miss by hair. And if that's exactly what we did, well, that's exactly what we do. It seems to be happening that way. So, ready? Let's talk about this. This is going to probably pump up as I talk. Get ready. We may retrace to, and here's your lottery picks. I guess if that's what people like to say, it's really your Fibonacci level sequence, whatever I may call it. Right now, there is an 87 cents possibility. So 87 cents, when we're getting to the 38.2 pullback on Jasmy through all these profits that people are taking, will hit that. It'll come down. It'll turn red. It'll hit fast. And when it does, get ready for a huge pump up. So I'm trying to find out if it's doing it right now at this level of support that we're going to build upon or bounce upon. What level is that? Because we can get rid of that one. It's now this level. So 9 cents. So now we're either going to build support on 9 cents and then bounce. What are we looking at? The hourly. So the hourly at 1 o'clock. This is the noon time for Eastern time, New York. 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, we'll get a new candle over here on the hourly. What it'll do is it'll probably go red again, and then 2 hours of red, it'll flip bullish back up. Great TA, I just never trade. I'm always holding when I buy in. Dustin, we used to make jokes, and I'm making fun of you because I was one of them. They used to tell me we need to get our heads checked when people hodl. And then it's like, well, wait a minute. You need to finish your words. It depends on what you hodl. I run on Wall Street. What do you run on? Wall Street is my go-to in the morning, my fuel. I go crazy. You guys make me go. I'm the wolf. I'm the wolf of Wall Street. I work there. Why not be the wolf, right? You are my wolves. I love all of you. So great TA. I do appreciate it, Dustin. We are getting that resistance. If you did not take, I just looked. I filled my order. I'm very happy. I did 9.7. I did 9.8. And that's what we do here. We make sure we get the profits. If you don't take profits, even somebody said to me the other day, I think it was Mike, he's actually a buddy of mine, as I get fucking 20 phone calls a day asking for TA and asking for that. You know what? I'm very humbled by that because you used to never get any phone calls, and I don't want to be miserable. I just say thank you. I'm humble. This could be a big pump up on the next and play around here. Once it touches this, it gets a magic touch where it turns green and starts pumping back up. I do expect the next candle. So this is Jasmy. Now, would we do TA and everything except a couple things. So now the market's kind of moving with it. So you get a couple down. This is what I'm talking about here. This is exactly what I'm saying here, exactly what I was predicting here. Doesn't mean we'll finish, but there's a good chance that the money's coming out. The crypto market, the total crypto market here, some people are taking profits. Some people are not stupid. That's all that means. And it doesn't mean you're stupid if you hold it. It means that you have a long-term thought process, 2.63 total crypto market cap, that in a few years you plan on being able to pull it out confidently. And I get that. 5 billion versus 65 billion market cap. Solana, we're talking about. Shiba Inu, 3,800, down 10% in the last 24 hours. I'm kind of excited. That's a Fibonacci sequence pullback. That's good. 11. So we're still stuck with the 11. But here we are coming down. Now listen to this. Solana's falling down. It's red. People are having mini heart attacks right now. That's unfortunate for them, right? Oh my God. Can we look at the price? The price is $215. We've been hovering over 187, 190 for like days and maybe weeks. I don't even know how long it was. It feels like weeks. I felt like a long time. It was nothing. I'm just being dramatic. October 21, so literally 4 days. It felt like forever. Oh my gosh, I'm such an impatient bastard myself. And we've never been in this area before. And then here we are creating new higher highs, and people want to know why the money's going down, because people see that and get excited and take profits. The other people, well, in 2 hours, at the 4 o'clock time frame, this is the 4 hourly, when we get another new candle, because it's the 12 o'clock candle. If you see it, 12 o'clock, the 25th, October 21. That's the 12 o'clock candle on Solana. It's going to come down, touch. And if you see already, we did remove indicators. Don't want to remove the drawings, because there they are telling you. If it touched, and there it is, the wick, it's maybe going to touch down here and give you 211 price. So you'll maybe get a 211 price, or you'll get a 206. Wall Street, Pete, why don't you cover SafeMoon? Because SafeMoon is not on TradingView. And then I got to go into the charts of the crypto thing and type it in and go over it. And it sucks because the way it works, it's such a coin that is so terrible right now trying to grow. We need some stability first, and then we can do more TA on it. That's why. Let's see. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ETH, Link, AVAX, and Matic. So we will talk about these things, but I want to know, what coin do you want to be running all day? I might run a coin later, a token. Does anybody have a token? Jasmy, Shiba, Solana. Which one do you want to see today? I would recommend doing Solana. Solana, I'm going to get rid of this and show you where I think we can go, because I'm really excited about Solana. And if I miss the token, please somebody tell me, like, Pete, what are you doing? We're supposed to still go. Hold on. Wow. It's starting to hit almost exactly what I said. I'm expecting for Solana to have the next big resistance level here when we get done retracing and coming here and doing this big W bounce. When we get this, this TA may be too much on point. People can't even stand me at this point. I won't stand myself, to be honest. If that follows through and does do that, and it's not in that time frame, I'm talking like, here's the W's. Like, pay attention to the possibilities. I'm trying to explain to you, this is how TA works. We have not been here before. So I have to take the Fibonacci sequence level, bring it backwards, reverse it, as I usually do it the other way. And now I'm trying to see where we're going to hit up on the peak. And that's what I'm looking at here. The peak, 235, 250. I'm triggering the FOMO is going to bring us to 250 on Solana. I'm not taking no chances. I'm going to beat the whales, and I'm going to take some profits at 235. I'm a sick bastard. This is what I do. All right. Wall Street, Pete. Sicto in crypto. So if you want to learn how to make Sicto in crypto, understand. Jasmy will continue to test, fool around. We have an hour. So we have 44 minutes to fool around with Jasmy and continue to do that. Shiba token, these are all hourly candles we're paying attention to. And this is not going to happen. This is what's going to happen with Shiba Inu. I already see the consolidation. I already see the descending triangle pattern, how this is going to hurt people, and people are not paying attention. This is an ascending triangle pattern, and this is a high roller coaster wave on Shiba Inu. So if the volume got less, and if you see the roller coaster wave is getting smaller and smaller to a tip, almost like a gun, like a Martian Marvin, right?
I am Marvin Martian, and I am going to get my itty bitty little gun.
I don't know how the hell to say that. I might have done that horrible, but it's been maybe 20 years since I've even watched a Marvin Martian cartoon. I'm getting concerned about the fall on Shiba Inu. And it's not a big concern because I said 36 was the low level. So, yeah, we'll stick to our guns and we'll stop being a wussy. And we will say 36 is good. You will have a 36 FOMO down. And it's okay, because a lot of people don't know that. I do. So that is a big possibility. It's looking like a descending triangle, or just, yeah, it is looking like a descending triangle. Wow. The more and more I look at this, this is not a bullish pattern. Not at all by any means. And coming in, it's looking bearish. So I love to tell you when we're doing great. I love to tell you when we're going up. I love to tell you all these things, right? We talk about it when it's good. We talk about it a lot when it's good. And I'm going to tell you when it's bad. And right now, Shiba Inu, Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and crypto, we're putting the bulls away. Because literally the bulls on the bulls. What a fucking, I don't know what that is, an acronym. What do they call it? Oxymoron? But literally putting the bulls away. The bulls got to hide. Big Mac, the bull, he's going to hide his face. You know why? Because when it comes to Shiba Inu, he is noticing that we're going to get a big fall here. A lot of people might get hurt. A lot of people don't realize we're going to go to 36, and then when we do, it's probably a Tigger bounce. Tiggers bounce, because that's what Tiggers do. And then we'll get there and touch again on that line. What is this line? Well, let's get rid of this, because that's making no sense right now at the moment. But if I extended it out and I showed you, that could be the line, and that could be where we go to get to 5,000. Will it happen today? No, actually, I'm thinking that there may be a big fall today. So it's actually going to be a full fake out here. Look at Shiba Inu. Pay attention. The volume has calmed down. This is the hourly, so it's only a short-term frame. So maybe we go to the day, and maybe you see what's going on each day. So each day we're getting good. And every time we've gotten each day good, we get about 1, 2, 3 down. This is stupid. This is not real TA. One, and right. But if you notice the patterns coming back 1, 2, 3 down, I'm expecting by tonight, tomorrow. And if you look at the daily, we have 8 hours. We're probably going to get the 8 o'clock pattern tonight and go down or parabolic crazy right now. So either way, we're going to make money, because we're either going to be buying this huge dip on Shiba Inu, or we're going to be just dollar cost averaging, or maybe just sitting there rubbing our hands and seeing how high it can go. So this is sometimes what happens on the TA. This is sometimes wild, because you don't see movements like this often. And when you see the legs kick in, well, what is this? Well, this is the daily. Each candle's a day. So the one day in October, and then the second day, there was a lot of FOMO. But what happened? These two candles equaled the third FOMO. So don't be surprised. And I'm trying to tell you, don't be surprised if this happens today. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. If this doesn't back up what I'm trying to tell you, well, then maybe you're learning today. Let's see where it takes me. If it takes me to 5,000 exactly, well, then that's what I told you. No. All right, so maybe I'm off today. But listen, if this is where we go today, you'll sign up for it. I know you will, because I'm signing up right now. I got a piece of paper on the floor here. I'm going to sign up. 4,400. 4,400, please, like right now. 4,500. That's what we're looking for on Shiba Inu. So I'm going to get rid of everything, and I'm going to save this here for you to watch. Maybe not today, but I'm saying when we go over the video and I go, oh, look, remember this? Yeah. It's going to be another one of those where Wall Street Pete said, I believe that we can do this, but look here, this is crazy. I didn't even notice this. Yesterday, we hit this price. So we're behind on the TA as far as I'm concerned. Can we test it again? Yes. But I did not see that we actually, excuse me, this is why we don't do this stuff live every day. We don't go do any other things. We go live, we learn the TA, and you learn the TA live with me. That was actually a very big resistance level coming in the future that I did not know based off a previous history move. That's huge. These two combined together is going to bring the FOMO in of the price of where we're going. It's just history, TA, history candles, history of the money coming in and out, the smart money. That's what we're copying. That's what we're following, the smart money. So long story short, Wall Street Pete, Sicko, and Crypto. Very long video, but please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification so when we do go live, you get this information immediately. I'm very interested in what Shiba Inu has to offer here coming into the last 8 hours of the day, 7.5 hours. I'll have my peeled. I have my eyes peeled for this one. And like I said, Jasmy's not over either. I mean, let's go each one for the daily before we leave. I wish I could do like the Titanic and you do Celine Dion as we're leaving. It's a joke. But maybe we will have a song playing as we leave. What could we play? Want to do a Wall Street Pete song? Why not? All right, we might as well do it. It's my show. And we'll pick it. It's not the greatest song, but hey, please go to the channel if you can. Go to the song, Bitcoin song. I get excited when I buy crypto /Bitcoin. It's mine. I only got 28 likes. I wish I had more. I like the song. We play it every day. So if you want to actually bump the song in your car like a nerd, you can. This is the Wall Street Pete Show, Sicko and Crypto. And if you didn't know. Right there. That's it. Jasmy. Solana. Talked about it. And Jasmy. We talked about that as well. So between Solana, that, and Shiba Inu, it looks like this son of a bitch has got more growth. We're out of here like Vladimir. Take care. Oh. 1 second. January 21st, 2021, where were you? Guess what? You could have gotten $2.99 Solana. Come on. That's crazy. And then, if you notice the all-time, 51 cents in April 2021. That's fucked up. What is the percentage on your money? It's only 26,000%. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and Crypto. We're out. Have a wonderful day. This gentleman used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange in Manhattan, off Vesey Street, where Wall Street is. Actually worked on Wall Street every day. Worked here on the NYMEX. And every time a crypto asset went up anything and we bought more and it went up higher,